I think you're ready for this jelly.
What is your Starbucks order?
My newest Starbucks order is an iced vanilla latte with soy. But if I don't get this, then I get an iced
green tea with sweetener.
With sweetener. And none of that nasty stuff.
You were onto matcha lattes for a little bit.
I know, but then I found out they had dairy in them.
I know.
A lot of dairy.
She was like, is there dairy in this? And I was like, yeah, it's all milk.
The whole thing is milk. And then I asked him to take out the dairy, and he was like,
not possible.
yeah. Yeah. So.
He was like, you mean an iced green tea? That's what he said.
Dairy-free peeps. That's how you keep the skin. Well, you try to keep the skin fresh.
I don't believe in that, but
Sharon, you wouldn't believe in it because your skin is unaffected by everything. You could like roll around in a bottle of fry grease and just come out like a daisy.
It's bad news. The reason why we were singing, I don't think you're ready for this jelly.
We're launching a new formula.
New. Completely, 100% new.
Never
formula.
before seen.
It is the Jelly Much collection. They're coming out with 8 to start.
It's a jelly texture eyeshadow. What? And they have really cute names. One's in Floral,
Half Moon, Short Circuit, Ventura,
Origami.
Foxes.
Okay, those are a little. Oh, because
Bungalow.
The reason why we named something
I know,
Ventura and Foxes is because it's a new product category, and they have to have an LA location or a California location and an animal.
Yes.
So Foxes, Ventura, and also Bungalow. We've got
Aaron
2
is
in there.
very adamant that we do that.
Yeah.
Well, and also look at the package. It's so cute.
Even this package is
with
really
hollow.
cute.
This is OG Colourpop Hollow Days, guys.
It is. So it's a little clear pot. Then inside it comes with a color matched
Liner.
So it comes with this little seal. You have to keep that in there because it keeps the product like smushed down inside. It feels like Jello.
Let me see. Ooh, it does feel like Jello. It feels great.
It has like kind of a cooling sensation. The pigment's already wet, so it's like when you get a powder eyeshadow and you get it wet your brush and then apply. No need to do that because it's already done. It's very easy to use, and then when it dries down, it does not move.
Yeah.
But it comes off like so, like look, I have it here on my hand, and normally if you put it pretty much anything here, it would take a lot of scrubbing to get off. This is like one swipe. So there's 8 shades. We're gonna be swatching them for you guys right now.
Now we're
swatching.
So this
You
is
can only
Ventura.
speak in terms of the shades. Okay, this shade is insane because
Wow.
it is. It's holographic. It's white,
And
and it
purple
flips purple, like complete flip.
And now we are moving on to Once and Floral.
It's once in Floral, but it is once
Oh,
in.
for all. Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Okay, this is like a copper with a pink flip. Another amazing thing about this formula is 0 fallout, peeps.
Yeah,
0.
Every woman's
That's amazing.
dream.
Especially even this, it has some larger particle glitter in it, and it's not gonna fall out anywhere.
Now moving on to We Jammin.
Okay, this is a soft gold.
Pretty
It's very metallic.
chrome, I would say. Now moving on to Origami.
Wow. It's like a very bright gold. Okay, this is Short Circuit, which is I would say a very bright bronze.
It's like a rose gold and bronze at a baby. Same.
Okay.
Moving on
We'll
to
be in the
Half
middle.
Moon.
This is a purple with bright blue and lavender
So many things in here.
sparkles.
Okay, next we have Foxes. Whoa.
This
Woo, is a yellow gold. You were right.
is a yellow gold.
Okay, now we got Bungalow. Wow, that's pretty.
This is a beautiful turquoise blue, and when you flip it, it does have a slight mermaid green flip.
Okay, so I want to show you guys how it is transfer proof. 2 minutes later, the ultimate jelly challenge. Zero transfer.
No transfer.
Transfer. Whoa! Whoa! Holy guacamole! Jordan's leaving to Portugal. Well, this will be live when you're there.
Jordan's in Portugal. I'm officially...
Jordan's in Portugal.
I'm speaking to my future self. Jordan, have a good time. Okay?
You have a good
You
time.
lay on those beaches.
Yeah.
You eat that food.
Yeah.
So, that's all.
I'm gonna be here.
Those are the jelly shadows. We did not tell you how much they are. Are you ready? They are
$8.
which I think is a steal because it's a bomb formula.
And it lasts a long time.
Yeah. Lay it on me, Sharon.
You want once in full, right out?
Yeah.
Wow. That actually looks great.
It feels so nice. I feel like I'm at the spa. It feels like when they put cucumbers on your eyes.
This looks great.
We're going in with Bungalow. Sharon, you have a delicate hand.
I do?
I feel like
Be kind.
I have 2 different eye colors.
That brings us to the end of this Jelly Much video.
We hope you guys are excited about the new product. We can't wait for you to try it and let us know what you think.
Yeah.
And maybe let us know some other songs that go with it. There are a lot of songs that go with the word jelly.
Jelly. Peanut butter jelly-ta. Peanut butter jelly-ta.
So,
Okay.
okay.
Bye,
Bye, guys.